Sorry, that last one just finished recording really abruptly. So I think we'd got to the fact that we'd filled in all of the values, and now we've only got positive numbers in our objective row, so we know that we finished. That means that we don't need to do any more iterations of the simplex algorithm. All we need to do is to interpret the table. So our basic variables, the ones here, have the values here. So x has value 15/7 when it's optimized. Y has value 18/7. And the value of the objective function is 81/7. Now, if this was a wordy question where x and y were actual things, it's really important that you interpret it properly and say we'd need whatever of this, whatever of this, and the overall profit would be this or something like that. But as this was just a numbery question, we don't need to do that. So I'm just going to go back to the graph just so that we can see what's happened. So we started off at the origin, and then the simplex algorithm took us along here to this point, 3, 0, and p was 9 up here. And then it's now taken us up here, it's increased y, and we're up here. So x is 15/7, y is 18/7, and p, the objective function, is 81/7. So that's our final answer. Sometimes they just get you to interpret tables in the exam, but you do need to know how to do it. And it is really, really important that every single time you set it out with your ratio and your row operations. You could just put the row operations in a space on the right, but as long as they're there clearly, then that's absolutely fine. Okay, so I want you to have a go at question 1 from exercise 7b. So that's another 2-variable problem, and upload your answer to that. And then I've left a little message in the task saying about whether you'd like a Zoom call or whether you'd like a video to go through a 3-variable problem next lesson. I know that you have your maths Zoom call on Monday with Mr. Malkin, so I won't necessarily do it at the actual time of our lesson, but we could schedule it in for another time, or even just do it on Tuesday. That would be fine. Okay, so just leave a comment with which you prefer, and I'll prepare that for then.